Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth with bouillon updated. Start by measuring water and bouillon cubes or granules, then heat gently and stir until fully dissolved. Add aromatics like onion, carrot, and celery for depth, but keep proportions simple for a fast result. Simmer briefly to meld flavors, skim any foam, and adjust salt at the end for a better balanced finish. Warming up the broth with small adjustments makes a big difference. Taste early and often, adding herbs or a dash of soy sauce to deepen umami without oversalting. For a heartier version, drop in a roasted chicken bone or a small knob of butter to round flavors. Remember that bouillon provides salt, so adjust additional seasoning gradually and let the broth rest briefly before final tasting. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is a handy companion for following recipes in any kitchen, with easy reading under counter lights and waterproof convenience for messy moments. I find it perfect for saving and organizing recipe collections or reading while waiting for broth to simmer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Proper storage keeps your broth versatile and safe. Cool the broth quickly, strain if desired, and refrigerate within 2 hours for up to several days or freeze portions for months. Freezing in ice cube trays yields handy single portions for sauces and quick meals. Reheat gently and skim fat if needed, then use your homemade bouillon-based broth in soups, risottos, or to infuse rice and grains with extra savory goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.